In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide chart or unhide chart in TradingView. Whether you're tidying up your workspace, focusing on indicators, or preparing a clean screenshot, knowing how to quickly hide and reveal the price chart can make your workflow a lot smoother. Here's how it works. With your TradingView chart open, move your cursor directly over the candlesticks of the chart you want to hide. You'll want to right-click right on the candles themselves, not the background or the grid. In the context menu that appears, choose Hide. As soon as you select it, the candlesticks disappear from view. That's it. You haven't deleted anything, and your layout is still intact. You've simply hidden the price series, so the chart looks cleaner while everything else on your screen stays put. Now, when you're ready to bring those candlesticks back, head to the top left corner of the chart. That's where you'll see the symbol name and details for the instrument you're viewing. Hover your mouse over that area and an eye icon will appear next to the stock or symbol name. Click the eye icon once and the chart instantly reappears. If you ever need to hide it again without right-clicking, you can click that same eye icon to toggle the visibility off. It's a simple on and off switch for the chart series you're working with. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If you don't immediately see the eye icon, make sure your cursor is hovering directly over the symbol name at the top left. It shows up when you move your mouse there. Also, remember that hiding only affects what you see. It doesn't change your symbol, your time frame, or your saved layout. If you're using indicators, they'll remain visible unless you choose to hide them separately. And if you ever hide something by accident, just return to that top left symbol area and use the eye icon to bring it back in one click. That's all there is to it. Right-click on the candlesticks and select Hide to clear the chart, then hover over the stock name at the top left and click the eye icon to unhide it. You can also use that same eye icon to hide the chart again anytime. Clean, quick, and fully reversible. Thanks for watching, and feel free to pause and practice these steps so they become second nature.